Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through how to create a MySpace account. MySpace is an American social networking service which is used as an online data storage and sharing site. It was originally a file storage service but has been transitioned to a social networking site. If you'd like to create a new account on MySpace, then here's how to do it. Start by opening up a web browser. In the web address bar at the top of the screen, type in www.myspace.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official website of MySpace, which looks like this. At the left-hand side menu, you'll be able to see a sign up button. Click it on in order to create a new account. You can use one of the social networking sites that is displayed on the screen over here. You can either join MySpace with your Facebook account, Twitter account, or an existing email account. Choose any one option. In my case, I'm going to choose the email option. Now, type in your full name on the next field. Next, select your gender from the drop-down. Enter your username that you'd like to use and set a password for your account on the next field. While creating a password, make sure it is strong. After you're done, type in an email address that you'd like to use right where it says email. Head over to the date of birth section, type in your month, day, and year. Click on I'm not a robot after you're done and click on this box over here that says I acknowledge that I have read and accept the terms of use agreement and consent to the privacy policy. Click on create account in order to move forward. Right after you do that, go ahead and select any topics that you'd like to promote and click on take me to my profile. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see that you've created a profile for yourself. You'll need to go ahead and verify your email first. Open up your email and you'll receive an inbox from MySpace. Click it open and verify your email address by clicking on the button that appears. And soon after you do that, you are ready to use your MySpace account. You can discover music, videos, and people by clicking on the option right under Discover on the left-hand side panel. How to log into your MySpace account. To begin, open up a web browser of your choice. In the web address bar at the top of the screen, type in www.myspace.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the main homepage of MySpace, which looks like this. In the left-hand side panel, click on the sign in button in order to log into your account. You can log in with your Facebook account, your Twitter account, or using your email or your username. In my case, I'm going to type in my email address and my password to log in. Type in your email and then your password in the text boxes that appears on the screen. Make sure to type in your credentials correct. In case you don't remember your password, you can click on Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. If you'd like to stay signed in with a particular device, you can keep this box checked over here that says Keep me signed in. But if you're using a public device or a shared mobile device, leave this box unchecked before logging into your account. After typing in your credentials correct and you're ready to log in, click on the sign in button. Right after you do that, you'll be logged into your MySpace account. This is your homepage for it. How to post on MySpace. If you want to create a post on MySpace, open up your web browser. You can open up any web browser you want. Simply go to www.myspace.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure you're logged into your MySpace account, and once you are, go and click on the Stream tab located at the left-hand side of the screen. Now, you can go ahead and start typing into the What's the Latest text box. At the start of your stream screen, type in anything that you would want in order to create a post, and once you are done, you can click on the post button in order to create a post. But keep in mind that a post can only have a song, video, link, or photo. You won't be able to combine all of those in one single post. You can add in a music by clicking on the music link and type in the name of the song. In the suggestion that pops up, simply give it a click and you'll be able to add a song on your post. Similarly, you can also add a location by clicking on the location icon. Decide if you want to share your post on your Facebook or your Twitter. If you do, simply click on either of these social networking site links appearing right beside the post button. Finally, after you are done, click on the post button and you'll be able to create a post right away. How to log out of MySpace. Open up your web browser to begin. Once you're done using your MySpace account and you'd like to log out of it, you'll need to go ahead and click on the gear icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Right in the pop-up that appears, you'll be able to see a sign out button at the bottom of the pop-up. Click it on in order to sign out of your MySpace account. If you'd like to sign in back again, you'll need to click on the sign in button from the left-hand side corner corner, enter your credentials in the text boxes that appears on the screen, type in your password correct, and click on the sign in button. Soon after you do that, you'll be logged in back to your account for MySpace. How to download MySpace photo and videos. If you'd like to download your videos or photos that you find on your MySpace account, then here's how to do it. Go to www.myspace.com and log into your account. Once you're in, go ahead and find the photo or the video that you'd like to get. Once you find the picture that you'd like to download, simply give it a right click and click on Save Image As. Type in the file name for your picture and click on the Save button. As soon as you do that, you'll be able to download your picture from MySpace to your computer. Open the file in order to view the image. Now let me show you how to download a video. Go and find a video content that you'd like to download. Once you find the video of your choice, click on this link icon right under your video description. Click on the link or embed option. Now simply copy the link from the pop-up. The link will be displayed right here on the top. Go and open up a new tab and go to pastedownload.com. Press enter on your keyboard and simply paste in the URL in the top of the screen. Wait for a few moments and the system will process it automatically so that you can download the video. Once you do that, you'll be able to see the download link appearing on the display. Simply go ahead and pick the finest quality that you'd like and click on the download link. Now, once the video preview has started, click on the three dots at the right corner of the playlist and click on download. The video has now started to download at the top right hand corner, as you can see in the pop-up. How to reset your password for MySpace. If you're trying to log into your MySpace account, you must already know that you'll need your email address or your username and your password. If you don't remember your password during the login in process, open up your web browser in order to begin. In the address bar at the top of the screen, go to www.myspace.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you land in the home page of MySpace, click on the sign in button from the left-hand side menu. You'll be taken to the sign in area. You can use your Facebook account or your Twitter account to log in as well. If you're trying to log into your account with your email and your password, you'll need to first type in your email address in the first text field. After you do that, if you happen to remember your password during the process, you can type it in the text box. But if you don't remember your password and you'd like to reset to a new one, click on the Forgot Password link. On the next page, you'll need to type in your email address. Type it in correct in the first text field and right where it says username, type in your username. Click on I'm not a robot and click on the Submit button in order to end up in the next page. You've been emailed an instruction on how to reset your password. Open up a new tab and log into your email account. Make sure to log into the same email account that you provided while signing up for your MySpace account. Right in the inbox, you should receive an email from MySpace. Click it open and you've been sent a link to change your password. Click on the link that you received. On the next page, type in the new password that you'd like to change to. Now, head over to the next field, type in the password one more time in order to verify your password, and finally click on Reset Password. Your password has been changed successfully. Click on Continue and you'll find yourself in the main homepage of MySpace as well. That is what you can do in case you've forgotten your password while logging into your MySpace account. How to view MySpace photos. Open up a web browser to begin. Go to www.myspace.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure you're logged into your MySpace account in order to view pictures of a particular profile. Go to the People tab from the left-hand side corner of the screen. You can enter a name of a particular person or an artist in the text box that appears at the top where it says Connect with People. Once you do that, you'll be able to see the search results appearing based on your search. Click on your choice and you'll end up in their profile. In the left-hand side menu at the top left, you'll be able to see several options right under the profile of the particular person. Click on Photos in order to view their photos. How to change your password for MySpace account. In order to change your password for MySpace account, start by opening up your web browser. In the web address bar that appears at the top of the screen, type in www.myspace.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official website of MySpace, which looks like this. Go to the sign in button in the left-hand side menu and log into your account by entering your credentials. After you're done, click on the sign in button. Once you're logged into your MySpace account, in order to change your password, you'll need to go to your profile, click on the settings button right next to your username in the bottom left-hand corner and click on account. Right under your basic information tab, you'll be able to see an option that says password. Simply click it on and type in the current password for your account in the first text field. Now, head over to the next field and type in the new password that you would like to change to. You can double check your password by clicking on this little eye icon at the right corner of the box. Now, head over to the next field where it says verify password and type in the new password that you just created in this box. Make sure to type in the password correct and make sure both of the passwords in the new password and verify password text field matches. After you're done typing in your new password, click on the Save Changes button and your password will be changed right away. That is how you can easily change your password if you're not very much secure about your account's password. How to change your email address on MySpace. Start by opening up your web browser. In the web address bar at the top of the screen, type in www.myspace.com and press enter on your keyboard. Log into your MySpace account if necessary, and once you are in, click on the settings button on the bottom left hand corner right next to your username. In the pop-up that appears on the display, click on account. Now, you'll be able to see a basic information tab open up. If you want to change your email address, go to the email tab and click it on. Right where your current email address appears, simply erase the current one and type in the new email address that you'd like to change to. After you're done, click on Save Changes. Your email will be successfully changed soon after you do that. It is quite easy, isn't it? That is all you'll need to do whenever the thoughts about changing your email address comes to your mind. How to add music on your MySpace profile. Open up a web browser to begin. In the address field, type in www.myspace.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure you're logged into your MySpace account. Once you're logged in and you are in your home page, in order to add a song on your MySpace profile, click on your profile name at the bottom left corner of the screen. This will open up your profile. Right under your username at the top right hand corner, click on Mixes and you'll be able to create a profile mix for yourself in this page. In order to find the music, click on the music button at the left hand side corner right under Discover. Select a music of your choice and click it on. Go to the name of the song and mouse over to this link icon in the right corner. Click on Profile Song from the expanded menu and the music will be added on your profile. To view the music, go to your profile page by clicking on your name at the bottom left corner of the screen. And you'll be able to see that your music has been added to your profile. The song appears as a small player, as you can see on the screen. You can only have one song linked to your profile, but you'll be able to change it as many times as you want. How to change your MySpace background. Open up a web browser to begin. You'll need to log into your MySpace account in order to change the background. So, go to the top of the screen and in the web address bar, type in www.myspace.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure you're logged into your account, and once you are, go to your profile page by clicking on your name at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll end up in the profile page. There are several ways to edit and customize your MySpace background. I'm going to show you the easiest way. At the top of your profile, once you point over to the Edit Image drop-down, you'll be able to see two options. Click on Cover Image if you want to customize your profile background. You can also upload your own image by clicking on Upload My Own Image and select one of your images from your library. If you want to pick one of the images, you can also select a pre-designed theme from the list and click on the one that you'd like to use. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your background for your MySpace profile page. You can now cross this pop-up and there you have successfully changed your background on MySpace. How to download MySpace application on your Android device. In order to download MySpace application on your Android, first make sure you're connected to a strong internet service. Once you are, go and tap Open your Play Store. In the search box at the top, type in MySpace app and make your search. And you'll be able to spot the MySpace application in the Play Store. Or you can also go and visit your web browser. In the search box, type in Download MySpace app and make your search. In the search results that is displayed on the screen, tap on this first link that says MySpace Mobile APK for Android Download. Once you tap on that, On the next page, tap on the free download button in order to begin the downloading process. Your download will be started and you'll be able to see a pop-up at the bottom. Tap on OK in order to download and install the app. Tap on the open button after the download is done and you'll be asked whether you'd like to install the application on your Android. Simply tap on the install button and wait for a minute. Once the app has been installed, it is ready for use. All you need to do is open the app by tapping on Open in the pop-up, allow access for MySpace to your camera, SMS, telephone, and tap on Continue at the bottom right. And soon after you do that, you'll be able to open the application. Simply go ahead and enter your email address and your password in order to log into your MySpace account. How to log into MySpace account on your Android device. Open up your MySpace application from your app drawer. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see that you've landed in the login area. Simply go ahead and type in your email address in the first text field that you can see. Once you type in your credential correct, head over to the next field and type in your password for your account. If you'd like to get access to your account right away without any kind of problem, make sure to type in your password correct as well. If you want the system to remember you, so that next time you try to log in with this particular device, you won't have to type in your credentials, then you can tap on Keep Me Signed In box right beneath the password box. But if you're using a public device or a shared mobile device, then leave this box unchecked before logging into your account. Finally, after entering your credentials correct and you're ready to log in, tap on the Login button. How to add friends on MySpace. Open up your MySpace application, or you can simply visit your web browser and in the address bar type in myspace.com and search. As soon as you reach the home page of MySpace, make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, go to the hamburger menu at the top left corner in order to bring up an expanded menu. In order to add friends on your MySpace, simply tap on the Profiles tab. And soon after you do that, you'll be taken to this page where you can connect with people. Now, in the search box at the top, you can either type in a name or the name of an artist that you'd like to connect with. In my case, I'm gonna type in a name. Once you type in the person's name, you'll be able to see their profile. Once you end up in their profile, simply tap on this link right here at the top right hand, and it will help you connect to the person. Tap on the Connect button in the bottom left corner and tap on Done at the top right. And with this, you'll be able to connect with someone or add them in on your MySpace. As soon as they accept your request, they'll be added to your friend list. How to uninstall your MySpace application. Open up your app drawer and search for MySpace application. Once you find it, press hold to it for a while in order to bring up an expanded pop-up menu. Simply tap on Uninstall and in the pop-up select OK. Another way you can uninstall the application is simply go to your settings on your Android device and tap it on. From the settings menu, scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. Once you do that, in the list of the applications, search for MySpace. Once you find it, tap it on. And right at the bottom of the app info page, you should be able to see an uninstall button. Tap that on and in the pop-up select OK in order to uninstall the application from your device. Once you do that, the application has been uninstalled and it is no longer available on your Android device. How to delete your MySpace account. Open up a web browser to begin. Go to www.myspace.com and log into your account. Once you're in, at the bottom left-hand corner, you'll be able to see your name. Right next to it, you should see a gear button. Click it on in order to bring up a pop-up menu. Click on Account, and under Account Settings, you should see a button that says Delete Account. Click it on and click on the Delete Account button in blue one more time. If you're sure you'd like to delete your account, you'll need to give in a reason why you are doing so. Pick any one reason from the options displayed and click on Delete My Account to confirm your selection. Soon after you do that, you have successfully deleted your MySpace account right away. That is what you can do if you no longer want an account on MySpace. You can easily delete it in a few simple steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.